Welcome back to the channel, your premier destination for high-speed 3D printing reviews, multi-material additive manufacturing breakdowns, studio maker gear guides, and automated tech showcases. Today, we are putting an exceptional professional-grade printer under the spotlight, a feature-packed CoreXY power station complete with active thermal management and an automated multi-color system, the Creality K2 Pro Combo. For makers and engineers taking on larger projects, standard build plates often force you to slice models into multiple pieces. The Creality K2 Pro Combo solves this directly with an expanded 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume, allowing you to print full-size helmets, functional enclosures, and complex prototypes in a single seamless job. At the core of the K2 Pro is an industrial-grade die-cast aluminum frame paired with FOC step-servo motors driving the motion system. Reaching print speeds up to 600 mm per second with acceleration up to 20,000 mm per second squared, the K2 Pro dramatically reduces production times while maintaining whispered quiet operation under 48 decibels. The included Creality Filament system, or CFS, brings complete multi-material automation to your workspace. Holding 4 spools in an airtight, moisture-free housing, the CFS handles automatic filament loading, multi-color changes during print runs, and smart auto-refill when a spool empties. For extreme projects, you can combine up to 4 CFS units to print with up to 16 distinct colors simultaneously. Unlike basic enclosed printers, the K2 Pro features an integrated active chamber heater capable of reaching up to 60 degrees Celsius. Combined with a 300-degree hot end and high-flow direct drive extruder, this active thermal control stabilizes the internal microclimate to prevent warping when printing advanced engineering spools like ABS, ASA, polycarbonate, and carbon fiber composites. Automation is dialed in with a dual AI camera system. One camera monitors the build chamber to catch failures like spaghetti or debris in real time, while a dedicated nozzle AI camera handles automatic flow rate calibration and first layer inspection. Paired with targeted auto bed leveling that calibrates only the active print surface, setting up every job is fast and hands-free. Combining 600 mm per second CoreXY speeds, a helmet-sized 300 mm build chamber, active chamber heating, 16-color CFS expansion, and dual AI cameras, the Creality K2 Pro Combo is a true production workstation for serious creators. If you enjoyed this Creality K2 Pro Combo breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What full-scale project or technical model are you printing first on the setup?